Matilda. I kind of related to her when I was a kid, yeah. Probably the Bay, actually, because I mean, just the big open spaces and the different types of architecture and stuff like that. It's a fantastic area, that is. And there's Royal Dahl, obviously. I don't know, yeah, maybe make the fountain a bit more interesting. Maybe make it a chocolate fountain, like in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, maybe. A bit more interesting. Yeah, maybe have some sherbet fizzing at the top of it or something. I don't do the cooking. The husband does the cooking. We'd starve to death if I was doing the cooking. He does everything. He's very good at making lasagna. And I'm just wondering if there's any way you could have Willy Wonka get his hands on a lasagna and turn it into some kind of dessert. Like maybe sheets of, like strawberry laces you get, but like a sheet, and then some fizzy stuff on top, and something like that, and lots of chocolate. And I'll get him onto that, actually. I think I might get him started on that, yeah. We used to share a room, and I used to get up in the middle of the night if she'd annoyed me, and I'd either pull the sheets off her so she got cold, or I'd tangle them around her feet so when she got up she'd fall out of bed. Exciting, different, and Dahl-esque.